Hello, Cap. Welcome back to Stormworks Basics. This is the Steam tutorial series part 3. So in the last episode, just converted the tutorial from part 1 from the diesel furnace into the coal furnace. And so we're going to convert from the coal furnace into the electric furnace. This will have gone through all 3 different types of furnaces. And so we'll know how to set each of them up for this. So let's go ahead and we'll get in the editor. All right, so now that we're in the editor here, we're going to make a couple changes. The electrical system's a little bit different. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get rid of the furnace. We're going to get rid of the hopper. We can go ahead and we get rid of the exhaust and the air intake. We do not need it with an electric furnace. We're going to go ahead and type in furnace for the electrical furnace. Electrical furnace is a little bit simpler. It's a little bit different too in its alignment as well. So we have to make sure there's a space there. And if we look at the nodes here, they're on the side. So we have coolant out and we have coolant in. So you need to make sure that because you have an in and out that you're going the correct way with these pumps. So this is lined up right. So we have coolant out, we'll go this direction into the boiler. All right, so we're just going to put some pipes on here and we'll reconnect these. All right, so real simple plumbing here on the electrical. Now, because it's going to be using electricity for actually heating things up, this is not going to be enough battery. So what we're going to do is grab a couple mediums here. This will give us robust battery. Once the generator is going, we'll be producing electricity. So we'll be able to utilize that to get enough electricity for us here. So we'll plug that in, and I'll plug that in, and we're all hooked up here. Now, the other thing is through some testing, we want to go a little bit higher on this because it's just going to take us longer. It is not as robust and powerful. Furnace start temp, we're going to raise these up. So we're going to go up here. I'll go up a good 50 degrees just to get faster on here. So we'll go 170, 250. You can use whatever you want on here. The minimum boiler temp, we can keep at 110. That's fine. That gives us enough temperature to get good steam. All right, so the next thing we want to do here is let's go ahead and look at our nodes. We need to reconnect things. So here we have air valve. Now, air valve, we are no longer using an air valve. What this is doing is if we actually look at the node on here, we have enable. So that is just your furnace. So we're going to go ahead in the microcontroller. I'll change air valve to electric furnace, and this will enable or disable your furnace. So we need to then hook that in. So we'll go directly to that enable node. We'll grab the temperature from electric furnace and put it on furnace temp, and then we are all set to go. So let's go ahead and spawn it. We'll go ahead and we'll click the toggle. As you notice, it is true. We set the temperature a little bit higher now, so we'll go up to 250 degrees, a little bit hotter. This furnace works a little bit better hotter. It's just going to be quicker. It will work with a lower temperature, but it's good to get it a little bit quicker. So we're about 15 degrees away from making steam. Let's look at our battery. As you can see, we're slowly dropping battery. We're down to about 89 on the charge. It is slowly going down, as you can see. And we're over 100 degrees. As you can see, we're building up steam. There we go. You can hear the turbine going. You can see that now that we're about to hit 110, it shut the furnace off until we cool back down. So watch your temperature. As you can see, it's 113. And now it's going to maintain it at 170. So if we wanted, we could lower that anymore, but this is pretty good where we're at right now. Let's check our battery. As you can see, we are producing more electricity with the generator than we are using with the furnace. So we're actually, can do pretty much an infinite run here. Not that that's realistic that we can have an infinite system here, but that is how it is working in game. So pretty simple here how to convert this over from the coal or from the diesel right into the electric system. So hope you guys found that helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.